हेलो एंड अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। How are you all? I hope you are good and healthy. Allah bless you. Always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much, viewers, for watching my all videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this. I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Suddenly you can see, friends, in this video we are providing you most trending and classical designs of Croatia backed designs. So viewers, please don't skip the video. Watch the video start to end because in this video you will see stunning and unique Croatia decor designs. Croatia bag designs. I hope you all love these beautiful designs. Croatia bags are sturdy and long lasting. Suitable for viral occasions, shopping, beach, everyday use. Space saving, lightweight, formidable designs. Easy care machine, washable, dryable, adjustable straps, comfortable, customizable fit. Unique designs, handmade. One of arcing creates colorful options, wide range of yarn color patterns. Textual interest, crochet stitches add visual appeal. Personalized touch, monograms, custom designs. बहुत cycle stripes, perfect alrectic. Sustainable material, reusable, reduce single-use plastics, eco-friendly yarns, choose recycled organics or natural fibers. Reduce of natural fabric, reduce waste, long lasting, repeatable design, reuse materials, upcycle old materials into new bags. Carbon footprint reduction for slow fashions environment. Confidence boosters, unique handmade design, self-experience, respect personal style creatively. Stress relief crochets can be thermal connected handmade bags evoke emotions and memories. Pride of ownership, unique handmade positions. Reduce shoulder strain, adjustable straps, comfortable designs. Improve posterior economy bag designs are agri-friendly Yuns available. Croatia Free National Material Days Finance. Croatia promote relaxations offices. Economy benefits affordable handmade unique bag at lower cost. Instrument piece long lasting double designs. Portable local articles promotes local anime reside value unique handmade bag return value custom orders gentleman income for Croatia's type of Croatia bags number 1 tote bag number 2 shoulder bag number 3 culture bag number 3 backpacks and the market bags. Popular Croatia stitches number 1 single Croatia, half double Croatia, triple Croatia and the shield stitch. Would you like to explore specific Croatia bags, patterns or benefits of your needs? So is a very beautiful designs of Croatia bags. Please try on a new or different color bag, different sizes. Is a very beautiful bag. So we will share this video with your family and friends who want these types of ideas, bag ideas. I really hope that they will love these beautiful designs. You know, we were different people have different choices and they love different types of bags ideas. So in this video you will see different themes and trending designs. Select your favorite designs and apply on your bag. Thank you people for watching the video, especially for those people who searching these types of most trending designs. They will get new designs and new ideas related to your decorations and designs. So everybody, if you all love these articles and if you want more types of designs and ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon from the new and latest update. Even when you press the bell icon, you receive the notifications of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with my friends and remember me in your prayers. See you soon, viewers. Take care and Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.